skies. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. Oh.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yo, this is how you make almond pancakes. Start with your dry ingredients first. 1 cup of almond flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, another one, 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix that joint up. Mix the wet and dry together. Mix them up together. Now oil the pan with coconut oil. It's time to cook. Spread it out. Let's go, baby. Sheesh. Boom. And do it again. Uh-huh. Boop. Boom. Top it with whatever you want. Just like that. This is how we do it. Ooh.
These chicken thighs in a glass container. You can put them in a large Ziploc bag as well if you'd like. I'm gonna squeeze the juice of 2 small lemons or a large lemon. Then I'm gonna add some roughly chopped garlic as well. You can use more or less, it's really up to you. Add a generous amount of sea salt or pink salt, and then some extra virgin olive oil. So add as much oil as you want. Added the lemon juice, the garlic, the salt, the olive oil. And at this point, this is a really good base for the chicken. Now you could season it with some more stuff if you'd like. I added a little bit of Italian seasoning here. That's a mix of a bunch of stuff. And I'm just gonna put it in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours, ideally overnight. And you're ready to make it, just remove it. Place it either in the air fryer or oven. And ready to feast.
All right, y'all, we about to do some smoked queso or smoked rotel dip. We're going to take this and we're about to put it on the grill, okay? So I got some rotel tomatoes, onions, mild cheddar, pepper jack, some quesadilla Mexican cheese, jalapenos. We did ground turkey with some taco seasoning on it, Velveeta cream cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more taco seasoning on top of the whole thing, cover it, put it on the grill. I also got a little side of chorizo. We love chorizo.
What's she doing in this phone?
Still cooking, y'all. It's been on the grill for about, how long you think?
Like 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. We're going to let it go a little bit more so it can get all good and melted.
Okay, so we're going to get your pork chops, put them in the dish. Then we're going to season them, salt, pepper, garlic powder, any other seasonings you want. And then you're going to get this is 2/3 of a cup of mayo, and you're going to spread that over all of them. It makes its own juice. It sounds weird, but it's delicious. I decided to add some Slap Your Mama on top for a little extra flavoring. It also makes like a crust with the Parmesan cheese on top, but it's so good, and it keeps pork chops so juicy. And they, you know, pork chops dry out so fast, and these don't. We even do it on chicken. So that was a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese that I topped the pork chops with. Preheat your oven to 350. Pop them in. Start at 20 minutes. It could take longer, but you definitely don't want to overcook them. And yeah, that's it. It's going to be so good. It's simple. It's only me tonight with my youngest and my oldest. My husband's working. We're going to have some broccoli with it, and that's going to be dinner. Thanks, guys.